Ever feel like your most important local files are playing hide and seek with your cloud storage? Today, we're unlocking the secret to keeping your essential files perfectly organized and accessible by mapping them directly to your Dropbox. This isn't about moving everything, but strategically linking what matters most, making your digital life so much smoother. First, ensure you have the Dropbox desktop application installed and running on your computer. You'll see its familiar icon in your system tray or menu bar. Open the Dropbox application itself. Now, let's dive into the settings. Click on the Dropbox icon. Then select the gear icon for preferences or settings. Look for an option related to syncing or choosing folders. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of folders on your computer here. You can select specific folders that you want to integrate with your Dropbox. Don't worry, you're not actually moving the files yet, just creating a smart link. Now, navigate to the specific local file or folder that you want to map. Click on it, and you'll typically see an option within the Dropbox application or your computer's right-click menu to add to Dropbox or sync with Dropbox. Select that option. Dropbox will then guide you, often asking if you want to sync this folder into a specific location within your existing Dropbox structure. Choose your desired location within Dropbox. Once you confirm, Dropbox will begin to create a link. This means any changes you make to that local file or folder will automatically be reflected in your Dropbox, and vice versa, keeping everything perfectly in sync. You've now successfully mapped a local file or folder to your Dropbox. This means easy access from any device, automatic backups, and peace of mind knowing your important work is always safe and up to date in the cloud, without cluttering your main Dropbox folder.